Today we're gonna do beef tips with Abby. First thing I did was put out 1 pound of beef tips, which I should have put out 2 pounds, but you know, it seems like every time I put out 2 pounds, nobody eats it. And then when I do 1 pound, it's not enough. Some brown sugar. Just a friendly reminder to everybody that nobody's kitchen is perfect, and especially not this one. I don't have any onion soup mix, so I'm just gonna use onion powder instead. Open fire steak seasoning from Lowe's Foods, because it's one of my favorites, because it's 30% less sodium. We act like we eat well around here. Now just a cup of water, and if you're like us, you got well water and it's disgusting, but hey, we're gonna boil it right out. Do a cream of mushroom soup. Alright, wrap this baby in tin foil. 2.5 hours, 300.